This tutorial explains how to customize your account settings and notification options. Go to Setup, My Account. At the top, you can change your password or username. You can also set an out-of-office message. Click here to view the access log for your account, which is helpful if you suspect someone has accessed your account. On the left, your display name is what students and parents see. Your email address is required, but students and parents won't see it unless you want them to by checking this option. Phone numbers are optional, which students and parents don't see unless you set this menu. The additional fields may vary by your school and state. Your account status is shown at the bottom. At the top, your admin may have uploaded your photo, or they may let you upload your own. Here you set your preferences for how you want to receive notifications. Web message is what you see directly in Jupyter in your inbox when you log in. Check the email column if you would also like to receive a copy by email. Check the text message column if you also want to text. This requires you to enter your mobile phone number here. Alert if suspicious login alerts you when your account is accessed from a new computer or browser. Most of these are for when someone sends you something at your school. For this last one, whenever you send a message from Jupyter, it's always saved in your message log. Check Copy Messages to Myself if you also want a copy sent to your email address. Use this area to give access to your teacher's aide if you have one. These checkboxes limit their access. When TAs log in, they will use your username and whatever password you choose here. You cannot use the same password that you use for your own account. You must enable TA access using the exact computer the TA will use. They cannot access your account from other computers. You may repeat these steps on multiple computers if you want. Please note this TA feature is not for team teaching. Jupyter already supports co-teachers who log in normally as themselves, not as TAs. For additional security, check Require Code to log in from different browser to enable two-factor authentication. When logging in from a new browser or new device, Jupyter sends a code by email or text to ensure you're not an imposter. Finally, Use Tablet Layout optimizes Jupyter for tablet use, and Show Pop-up Tips will display helpful hints when you hover your mouse, like this one. You can also set your color preferences here. That concludes this tutorial. See our help guide for additional information.